Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than your grandma can say ChatGPT. While ChatGPT has stolen much of the limelight, it's no longer the lone ranger of the AI world. In 2025, a new generation of AI tools has burst onto the scene, flaunting enhanced abilities in content creation, research, and integration, and in many cases, outperforming our beloved GPT. Whether you're a writer, developer, student, or caffeine-fueled entrepreneur, these tools are worth knowing. So buckle up and prepare to meet AI systems that are giving ChatGPT a run for its tokens. Let's count them down, from the impressive to the downright mind-blowing. Cohair, the context king. Meet Cohair, the AI that reads between the lines and then rewrites them better. Unlike ChatGPT, which is great at giving generic answers, Cohair focuses on generating high-context, industry-specific responses. It's basically what you'd get if a language model got an MBA. Used mostly by big businesses, Cohair offers API access to powerful NLP tools that can handle everything from automated support to custom content creation. It's a dream for anyone dealing with complex text-based processes. Cohair shines in handling large-scale projects where language nuance and consistency are key. And yes, it can sound human, just not the annoying kind. Microsoft Copilot, the office overlord. Ever stared at a blank Excel sheet wondering if your soul escaped through cell 1? Microsoft Copilot is here to help, seamlessly built into Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This AI doesn't just play assistant, it practically writes your reports, cleans your data, and finishes your presentations before your coffee gets cold. It's not just about automation either. Microsoft Copilot offers data-driven suggestions and streamlines repetitive office work, making it a corporate warrior's secret weapon. With productivity surging and human error plummeting, it's hard not to admire a bot that makes spreadsheets sexy again. Wright Sonic, the marketing marvel. If your idea of marketing includes tossing random hashtags into a post and praying for engagement, Wright Sonic is here to save your reputation. Specializing in SEO-optimized copy, Wright Sonic is tailored for digital marketers who need quality content and fast. From punchy blog intros to snappy product descriptions, this tool whips up copy like a caffeinated wordsmith on a deadline. It integrates with content management systems and ensures consistency across campaigns. Think of it as ChatGPT's overachieving cousin who actually meets the brief, gets the tone right, and optimizes your content like a pro. Perplexity AI, the fact-checker's best friend. Perplexity AI is what you get when a search engine and a research assistant have a genius baby. This model is uniquely powerful because it doesn't just give you answers, it shows its work. Every claim is backed by linked sources, making it a goldmine for journalists, students, and overly cautious Reddit debaters. It also supports voice search and keeps your conversations coherent. And for anyone who's ever screamed source, at their screen, Perplexity AI is your dream come true. It's not just smart, it's trustworthy. And in 2025, that's saying a lot. Claude AI, the big thinker. Developed by Anthropic, Claude AI isn't just another language model, it's a deep thinker with a big memory. While ChatGPT might tap out after a few thousand tokens, Claude can digest and generate content based on over 200,000 tokens at a time. That's like reading War and Peace and writing a thesis about it in one breath. Claude is perfect for those needing long-form content or complex data analysis. It's especially good at summarizing and breaking down chunky information. The trade-off? It's not as precise as ChatGPT for microtasks, but when it comes to big-picture thinking, Claude dominates. Its ability to retain and reference vast amounts of text makes it ideal for legal documents, technical manuals, or large-scale research. And thanks to its structured reasoning approach, it's gaining popularity in enterprise environments where depth truly matters. Jasper AI, the content commander. Jasper AI is built for the big leagues in content creation. If you run a brand, work in marketing, or just like to pretend you're a copywriting wizard, Jasper's got your back. With dozens of templates, tone adjustments, and prompt tools, it helps you create on-brand messaging across blogs, emails, and social media posts like a seasoned pro. It integrates with external data and adapts to your brand's voice, so your content won't sound like it was written by a robot in a rush. Jasper is the AI equivalent of a creative agency in your pocket, minus the hefty invoice. It's especially handy for managing multi-channel campaigns where consistency is key. Plus, with team collaboration features, it streamlines the entire creative workflow like a pro-level content HQ. Llama 3 Meta, the silent powerhouse. While not flashy, Meta's Llama 3 is making waves behind the scenes. Designed with scalability in mind, this AI model has found its niche among developers who crave flexibility and control. It supports fine-tuning like a charm and works great for custom enterprise applications. Unlike ChatGPT, which leans heavily toward general use, Llama 3 is more of a specialist tool. It doesn't hog the spotlight, but it's quietly powering some of the most impressive AI deployments across industries. Think of it as the introvert genius you won't hear much from it, but it's doing great things. Its open-weight design allows organizations to deeply customize models without licensing limitations. As AI ecosystems grow more decentralized, Llama 3's silent strength might just make it the backbone of future innovations. Deepseek R1, the open-source underdog. This one's a sleeper hit. Deepseek R1, created by a Chinese research group, is shaking things up by delivering near GPT-4 level performance at a fraction of the cost, and it's open source. Developers love it because it offers flexibility, customization, and no corporate gatekeeping. It performs well across benchmarks like Massive Multitask Language Understanding Human Eval and GSM-8K. But more importantly, it's democratizing AI development. With DeepSeek, small teams and indie devs can compete with big-budget labs, creating a wave of grassroots innovation. This is the open-source rebellion we've all been waiting for, and it's only getting started. Its transparency invites a global community to experiment, enhance, and evolve the model beyond corporate constraints. As AI continues to shape the future, DeepSeek is quietly becoming the people's champion. Expect it to play a major role in shaping next-generation educational tools, apps, and even independent research projects. Gemini by Google, the real-time titan. Google didn't come here to play. Gemini is a multilingual, multimodal monster that's tied directly into Google's ecosystem. Need real-time data? It's got you. Need to draft something in Urdu and proofread it in French? Also handled. It's the only AI on this list that naturally accesses up-to-date information and injects it into answers. Integrated with Google Search, Docs, and more, it's ideal for those who live inside Google Workspace. Gemini doesn't just know things, it knows what's happening right now. While ChatGPT might still be catching up on 2023, Gemini already checked the headlines and scheduled your meeting. Its seamless collaboration with Gmail, Calendar, and Sheets makes it a personal assistant with superpowers. Whether you're a student, business pro, or just tech curious, Gemini's responsiveness is game-changing. If you thought ChatGPT was the king, wait till you meet its rivals. Smash that like button if you love powerful AIs shaking up the game. Subscribe now for weekly mind-blowing tech content straight from the future. Got a favorite AI from the list? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and let the robots do the typing.